I want to caution that this gradual resumption does not signal that things can go back to pre-COVID-19 days. Where we need to, we will continue to tighten requirements when we find persistent non-adherence to these measures. Lucky Plaza and Peninsula Plaza, for instance, attract large crowds and long queues to enter on weekends. To better manage the crowds and ensure the safe distancing can be observed, from 29th August, these two malls will implement odd and even date entry restrictions on weekends. This means that those whose NRIC or FIN numbers end in even digits can only visit the two malls on even days on weekends, while those numbers who end in odd digits can only visit these malls on odd dates for weekends. We did something similar for our more popular markets recently, so it is a system that we are familiar with. The multi-ministry task force will continue to monitor the situation closely, and other premises that face similar crowd management issues may also be required to adopt this entry restriction if necessary. These measures illustrate the approach we have adopted, which is to regularly calibrate our measures to balance the risk of transmission and facilitating a new COVID normal situation. Where we need to, we will put in additional measures to enhance compliance and close gaps. Similarly, we may adjust existing measures as the situation evolves. But I have to emphasize once again that ultimately, everyone has to do our part to stay vigilant and not let up on the discipline we have developed over these few months. This way, we can keep our case numbers down and keep our families, our friends, and fellow Singaporeans safe.